Hi everyone, in today's video I will guide you on how to start an LLC in Texas. After watching this video, you can launch your own limited liability company in Texas using an app called Busy. I'll provide you with every up-to-date info that you need to know about Busy and the tools that you need to successfully establish your business. So first, what is an LLC or limited liability company? So LLC is a type of business structure that combines elements of both corporations and partnership. It offers flexibility and protection, making it a popular choice for many entrepreneurs. So first of all you have to do is dive into business.com. So this is the homepage. As you can see, you have here form your full LLC and kick start your dream business with Busy. So if you want to start, all you have to do is click for your free LLC now. Then here we have here then you have to choose here your entity type. So you have to choose LLC. Then about state, of course you choose Texas. So this is Texas. And if we scroll down, we have here three packages. The first one we have basic without paying anything, and all you have to do is pay 300 state fee, and we have here 4 weeks. And the second one we have here $199 plus 300 state fee, and it's for 4 weeks. And we have the last one, it's $299 and we have 300 state fee, and we have 2 days here. So you choose the one you want, so or the one you need. So for the first one, we have preparing and found article of organization, have free first year registered agent service, and we have also online access dashboard, business banking account offer, and we have business tax consultation. About the second one, we have here the first things we have its business tax number and operating agreement, lifetime compliance alerts, a limited phone and email support, and we have errors form 2553. About the last one we have it's three things. The first one it's expedited felon. You have 2 days felon time, and we have the second one it's business contract templates, and other things it's domain name plus business email. So to get started, so let's choose for example this one, and you click over get started. Once you click over get started, we have here the other page, it's company information. So you write your LLC name and your designator, of course you will choose LLC. So you click over next. Then we have the other page, it's state fill time. So we have here about process, we have here 30 percent. So you choose the first one. We have two businesses days fun time for 50 $50, and we have here 4 weeks fill time. It's for free. So let's choose the second one and we click over next. Then we have here contact person. So you write your first name, your last name, your email, and you write your mobile phone, and then you click over next. So once you're done, you have to click over next, and let's move into the next page. We have company address information. So you have to read this information, then you choose the one you want. For the first one, we have here 29 per month, and we have yes, I had like to use virtual address. No, I had like to use my own address. So let's choose this second one, and you have to write your personal information about company address. Then you click over next, and we have the next one, it's you click over use Android, and we have here the next page, it's premium service package. So you have a package total, it's 149, and you click over get limited. Then we have the second page, it's please provide members information for Mike LLC. So you write here number of members. So of course I will choose one because I work individual. So then we have here other information like first name, last name as we did before. Then you click over next, and we have the next pages is registered agent information. Once you read this information, you have to choose if the first one assign busy as my registered agent free for 1 year, and we have the second one I would like to act as my own registered. So let's choose it in this one, and we click over next. Then we have this next page, it's tax identification number information. So I'm a foreign individual and do not have a social security number, so we click over yes, and you click over I agree. Then you write this information and you click over next. Once you click over next, you will find this page, which is set up small business banking. So you have to read this information, then you click over yes, I am interested. Once you read this information, you have to choose if I'm not interested at this time. Yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation. So let's click over the first one, and we click over the next, and we have the other page, it's business licenses and permits. So we have to read also this information, then you click over no thanks or yes please mail the applications, and you have to pay $99. So you click over next. Then we have here your personal information. So if you wanna edit something, all you have to do, you have to click over edit, and you modificate your information. For example, company address and contact, member info. Then if you are done with this step, you have to click over next. Then we have here the last page, it's balance information. You have to write your credit card information and like card number, and you have to write your personal information. And we have here in the final additional explanation, we have here what is the cancellation policy for my order. Can I edit my order after it's been placed? So you have to just click over here and you get your answers, I mean, sorry. How can I track my order? And once you've done with this, you have to click over I agree to the legal statement and cancellation policy, and you click over complex and pay, and you finish with how to start with LLC in Texas. So as you guys can see, with the help of Busy, you can create your own LLC in Texas. It's a straightforward guided process, not to mention how affordable and hassle-free it can be. I hope this video has made the process clearer and more manageable for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more business tips and tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask us in the comments section down below, and I will be happy to help, and have a fantastic day ahead. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.